I'm Josh.
And I'm Colton with UC Midwest Lifestyle Properties.
We're out here at our newest listing, getting ready to bring it to you. It's 74 plus or minus acres near Melrose, Wisconsin in Jackson County.
Thanks everyone for tagging along today.
If you're looking for more information about this great property, give me a call or Colton Bettis.